Hello, 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 dudes.
Hey guys.
Welcome to Jersey History Hunters demonstration night.
She was trying to show you, but her hand wasn't making it over.
Usually I sit on that side.
Yeah.
Today I'm on this side.
Yeah.
I'm all out of whack. So hope everybody's having a great night. We're doing a little different type of thing. Tonight we're going to go over electrolysis.
With the ugly box.
The ugly box. Check it out on our other camera we have right here. This is ugly box made by these guys. Tech America. Check them out on Facebook, dudes. This thing rocks. So, it's very good for silver little buttons, you know, little things you find to clean. It's like supersonic electrolysis. This thing has a digital display, shows you, you know, the levels. It has accessories for cleaning.
It has the thunder and the thrasher.
The thunder and the thrasher, which are awesome. It plugs in, so you don't need a battery. You could do it in the house. It's safe. And it's super easy. So this is the thrasher. It's like a supersonic Andres pencil.
And you use it at the end when your coin button or whatever you're cleaning is still a little wet.
These things plug in here. And this is the thunder. That is like, what is this? This is like a sonic. Yeah, so you put this in the water. This one, not this one. So the first thing you do is you hook up these clips. Right. So we've been using the black one on our good item. And then we used the yellow one. You could see it's a little rusty already. We use that on our sacrifice item, which they include when you buy the ugly box.
Once you've determined which wires you're using for which, you'll want to keep using the same ones.
Yeah, don't mix it up because this one gets rusty. After a while, you know, a long while, not right away, you'll swap that out. This thing's too big. There it is. So there, sacrificial. Boom.
Sacrificial lamb.
Stick it in the water. So next step we're going to do, we're going to put some brine up in there. So that's about 1.5 cups of water, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll put about, how much? 1.5 teaspoons? Teaspoon.
Sounds right.
You know, you don't gotta be exact. It's not rocket science. That's about 1/2. That's about a little over 1/2. Stir it up. Mix it up good, like soup. Could always put a little more in later. What next, Rachel? What item do you want to do tonight?
I think we're going to do the button.
Button. Last time on a live stream we did silver.
Yeah.
Came out amazing. So tonight we're going to mix it up. Let's show them.
It would have came out like superb.
You going to show them?
If we had, you know, more than an hour. But it doesn't really take very long. So this one has a little bit of gold gilt on it.
On the edge.
About a turn. Sorry. It's about a turn of the century button.
Very good. So we'll take that and we'll put it on our good cable.
Remember, don't mix the cables up once you've established.
We're gonna put it on right on the shankage. Yeah, don't mix them up. So don't let them touch. But like I said, it's safe. You can stick your finger in there. Ooh, it's warm. Yay. All right. So you plug this in, which we didn't do yet. Ooh, sparkage.
Sparkage.
There we go. So, and you turn it on and let it do its thing. See how it's at 0? Let's turn it up. Let's turn it all the way up to 10. Boom! So we should see some bubbles coming out. I think I'm going to put a little more of this in there. Now with coppers, you got to watch it. And how long did the silver took? We did it during a live stream.
About 45 minutes we did it for.
About 45 minutes. It came out amazing. It was black and it came out amazing.
I mean, you're not going to see a ton of bubbles right away.
Yeah, it takes a minute.
In the meantime, if you want to know Jersey History Hunters lingo, just add age to everything.
Add what?
Age. Edge.
Edge. Spoon edge. Coin edge.
Button edge.
Button edge. Dude edge.
Electrolysis.
Electrolysis edge.
Sparkage.
Sparkage. Don't forget to join us on Tuesday night. Every Tuesday night, pretty much. We live stream on our YouTube, 7 p.m. Eastern. It's a lot of fun. We have awesome friends in the community, and they join us and just let loose, have fun, get through Monday, you know, and celebrate.
And we'll let you in on a little secret. We might have a guideline, but we are always off script.
Yeah, we don't go by any script.
We don't even go by the guideline.
Sometimes we're like, oh, I would like to talk about this, this, and this, you know, in general. And then if we remember, we do. If we don't, we don't. And it's hard for us to keep up with chat. So thank goodness for Nancy. Ambient.
Well, that's a good thing. That's a plus for having two of us anyway.
Yeah, it's a plus. See, I see the bubblage. A little bit here and there. Let's take a peek at the big screen and see what we got. If you look close at the tip of the black, a little bit bubbles coming up. Yeah. So like I said, the copper, you definitely want to keep an eye on, because you could definitely get more detail and clean it, but you don't want to ruin it, you know.
Yeah, mostly I think that's just, if you can't identify something, it might help to bring out a little bit of detail so that you can identify it.
Yeah, we did do a Jersey copper, and it definitely has a lot more detail. But it was very brief with the... It was with the thunder and not with the cables as much. It was like 5 minutes with the cables and mostly with the thunder. It came out great. Alright, dudes, so we're going to leave this sit here. Let it do its thing. And then we'll come back to you and show you maybe every 10 minutes. We'll keep an eye on it. So we'll take a break now.
Yep.
Come back in 10 minutes. Show you what we got. Peace. How'd I know you were going to do that? And we'll be right back. Okay, guys. Been about 10 minutes. Let's take a look and see how it's doing.
Yeah.
What you think? Go to the big camera. All right. You can see some dirt in there.
Some bubblage.
See the dirt on the bottom? Little bubblage. Let's take it off. Take a peek. Yeah, look at that.
You.
You. Yeah, that's coming along pretty good. Getting dirt off there. This camera over there is better. That's good. Getting better. Looking good.
Yeah.
Put it back in as I get my fingers all dirty. So you take the clip, putting it right on the shankage. You don't want to break it, but it's pretty sturdy. Put it back in. I'm going to keep it up high for a little bit longer. You want to try the...
Yeah, let's try the thunder.
We'll do the thunder. Because the thunder helps take off some of that gunk. Sonic.
The hedgehog.
So you take this end, it's just a cable and a plug. You plug it in there. Push the button. It vibrates a little. Stick it in the water. Probably turn this off while we turn it down a little while we're doing it. It says
that is taken out. Look at that.
probably only do this for a couple minutes and then we'll just let it electrolysis some more.
You could even do what we did with the mercury diamond, put it up against it a little bit.
Yeah, get right up on there.
For a second there, it sounded like the June heart. Boing, boing, boing.
Right, so did that just for a little bit. Sit that there. I think we're gonna let it set for another 10 minutes.
Yeah.
It's looking good so far, so we're gonna let it set another 10, maybe 15 minutes, and then maybe we'll try this again.
Yeah, we'll thunder it a little bit and then thrasher it a little bit.
Yeah, Thrasher is like the supersonic Andre's pencils. Yeah. It'll be cool, so I'm excited to see how this turns out.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we'll be back in a flash for you, but for us it'll be 10-15 minutes. Be right back. Alright, we're back for the third time. So it's been like 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, about that.
And it's been sitting. The water's getting dirty, so hey, that's a good sign. Dirt's coming off the object, going in the water. So let's take it out and take a peek at it. I mean, if you feel safer, you could always turn this off. If this spins. But we're good. Let's take it off.
Dirtage.
Dirtage. Definitely. try it this way. There it is. It's looking good. But you can see the dirt's coming off. Give it a little rub. Want to try a thunder or a thrasher?
Let's try the thrasher first, see what comes off.
Alright, so thrasher, supersonic Andres pencils. We're going to unplug the thunder, plug in the thrasher, and then you just push the green button. Now you don't want to do too much, but
it does. You want to do it right out of the water so it's a little wet.
don't have to be a little wet. Now I'm not pressing hard, just touching it. You don't want to do this much at all on a coin, because you'll take off the detail along with the dirt. But a button, heck yeah! Of course you should have something underneath it, because I'm getting a mess everywhere. I can't think of everything. This is coming out awesome. Look at this, guys. Shush. Check it out.
Yeah, very cool.
Right? Serious. Wow. That is coming out beautiful. Dudes, that is beautiful. We're gonna definitely do this more. Love this ugly box, dudes. You could get yours
at the Gold Digger metal detecting store.
Yep. Contact Detect America. Or go direct to Gold Digger's metal detecting store.
And get yourself a copy of the Ugly Book.
Yeah. Alright, so what do you want to do? Put it back in for a little more?
Then we'll put it back in, then we'll do a sonic on it.
So we're going to put it back in for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to do the sonic again. And then we'll clean the back too. This is going to be beautiful. Alright guys. This time I'm going to clip it on the button itself instead of the shank. And you could put like a pinch more of the brine in. If the water gets real dirty, like if it's really bad and cruddy, you know, a lot of dirt will come off, you could put fresh water and brine in. But we'll turn this up. Let it run for another 10-15 minutes, and while we're doing this, we're going to go out there and watch Finding Goodies. So we'll be back in a flash. Alright dudes, we're back for the 4th time. Booyah! So this has been sitting another 15 minutes. And we're going to take a look. Ah, it looks good. That might be where we stop. Just for video's sake. So we're going to take the thrasher again while it's still wet a little. We're going to thrash it with the thrasher.
Velocity. That's a huge difference.
Huge.
Well, nothing's ever going to be instant, so the more time you take,
Pushing back in.
and after this we get to sweep and
Yeah, clean. I don't want it, you know, we don't want to make it like brand new, so we're not going to go all the way with this.
yeah, you bring it up to whatever you decide you want.
Yeah, you can control it, you know, you do it.
Wherever you're happy at. But, you know, you just gotta make sure you don't overdo it.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, I know with coins, I always say not to clean your coins, but
We like to clean them a little.
I wouldn't even care if we clean this to make it look like it was brand new.
Yeah, it's mercury, you know?
Yeah, it's been sitting in the ground forever. I mean, it's not a key date. So we can clean this, shine this up, make it look like the day it was dropped, except for the wear on it. Because like you like the shiny silver, and that's where we would want it, because we're not going to sell it. So what you're interested in.
Yeah.
And half of Audra's face. All you could see was one Audra eye. I'll show them where they're at right now.
Alright, that needs to be filled. But this is looking good.
Very nice.
Look at this, dudes. There we go.
Look at that.
Beautiful. See a lot more detail on it. Like I said, we don't want to make it brand new, but we could if we wanted to.
Exactly. You clean it to your, how you want to view it.
To your liking. So, we'll probably work on it a little more, tweak it, shine it, and then show a picture. But for video's sake, that's how you use the Ugly Box. This thing rocks. It's seriously
Look
like
how easy it is
amazing.
to put your new steel wool in. You just pop the little top.
Stuff it in there.
Stuff it in there.
Good to
Pop
go.
the little top back on. Click.
So I just dipped it in the water to get the dust that from the thrasher. And look at that. This is beautiful. Beautiful.
We'll mention it now, so in case we forget the next time we do silver again. When you're done cleaning your silver, not this one obviously, but when you're done and it's dry, you take a little toothpaste, not gel, and rub it on there, and then wipe it off with a towel, and it'll shine it right up.
A nice soft cloth, nothing that'll scratch it.
Yeah.
It'll be beautiful. This came out really, really good.
Yeah, dude.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful. We barely even worked on the back, and it's already looking good. Look at that. It's amazing. Oh, my hand's shaking because I'm reaching. That is amazing. So, we give the Ugly Box 4 stars.
We give the Ugly Box 2 dudes.
Two dudes.
And a
pew pew. This thing rocks. Get you an Ugly Box. It's fun. You know, we had a good time doing this, and
it makes a great Christmas gift.
Makes a great Christmas gift. Look, easy to use. The clips. You get the cables, the clips. The black goes. We put the black on the black. That's the good one. Red is the bad. We use the yellow one for that. And it's just an awesome machine. It rocks. So we'll put the link below. You could go to below the video and get the link to go to the golddiggers.com metal detectors and get it there, or go direct to
somewhere.
Detect America. Those dudes rock. And check them out on Facebook and give them a like. They have amazing live streams on Facebook.
Yeah.
And they have great giveaways and awesome people in the chat.
Fun chat. They're fun.
They know what they're talking about, too.
They do. If you have any questions, they'll answer them.
Yep.
And you'll see us there.
Heck yeah. So, like I said, we'll add before and after pictures right after this. Easy cleanup. You just turn it off like we did. Clean off the dust if you make it like we did. Unhook everything and put it away and you're good to go. Safe to use in the house. Dump out the water. Use fresh water. See, this water got dirty. Look how dirty that water is. I don't know if you can see it, but dirty.
Yeah, definitely get you one of these.
If we would have kept doing this, we probably would have put fresh water in a little bit. But,
especially if you're somebody who does electrolysis on, the car battery, and you have to stay out of your garage or outside of. This is good.
Check out our past live streams. We did a Mercury Dime live.
Yeah.
One of the live streams came out great.
And we may do something again on the live stream.
Yeah. We're going to do this again. We'll do another silver coin that'll be quicker, and you'll see the black come right off.
We're going to do the Mercury Dime that we were just talking about. Look how black that thing is.
Yeah, next time.
Yep.
All right, guys. Thank you for joining us. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Peace.
Peace. Why do you always say peace? You say
know.
add something else. I'm not ready to end it yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, hit the hit that bell.
That's why you always say peace.
Hit the bell so you know anytime we upload a new video, anytime we go live. We do go live every Tuesday night, but you never know.
Leave a comment because we like to chat. All right, now we're done.
I think so.
Thanks for stopping by, guys. Have a great day.
Peace.